Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are facing low Wi-Fi signal strength on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot, TROUB. Open it. Go to other troubleshooters. Want to scroll down guys. Want to network adapter over here. Run it. If you having any issues detecting problems in network adapter guys, close out of here and go search menu and type device manager. Open it. In device manager you go to Wi-Fi adapter, network adapter over here, expand it guys. If you are using network adapters, you want to update it, right click on your network adapter and click on update driver. Browse my computer for driver, locate and install a manual drive. Let me pick from available drivers on my computer, click on it and click next. It will install driver guys. Update. Windows has successfully updated your drivers guys. Close out of here. And if the problem get resolved, I think if you not get resolved, search menu and type cmd guys. Run as administrator, click on it and click as user control. And here you want to type ipconfig ipconfig space slash flush DNS presenter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolved cache. And another command is there guys, netskache space winsock netskache space winsock space reset presenter. You must reset the computer in order to complete the reset. Winstock catalog has resetted guys successfully. Close out of here and go and restart your PC. In that case it will resolve the problem guys. If it not get resolved, reset the default Wi-Fi, it will definitely helpful guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. In settings you want to go to network and internet here, or here left side, and you want to go to advanced network setting. Scroll down guys and here we get network reset all internet adapters to factory settings. Here it. This will remove the reinstall all your network adapters and set the networking components back to their original settings guys. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Reset now guys, click on it and sure yes. You need to, Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Go and restart it PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.